I training. When I was little, 7 years old, I started training, but I understand nothing. And after middle school, I go to training Shaolin Kung Fu, do flips, boxing, fightings, Ha Qigong, a lot of crazy training. Yeah, it's really pretty funny, but I understand nothing. It's just training. And I came Wudang, you know. It's not because I like Wudang Kung Fu or philosophy. I don't know that. In that time, nobody talk about you know, health, Qigong or something, Tai Chi. Nobody talk about this. I came Wudang is just I have purpose, you know. What purpose? I want to fix my rheumatism. That's all. It's not because of Wudang Kung Fu famous or good. I never see it before I came Wudang. I just from my magazine reading about it all. It's kind of Qigong internal something meridians maybe working. I just read this magazine that I came Wudang want to fix my rheumatism. That's all. Then the beginning, doing this is really bored for me. You know, when why train Shaolin Kung Fu? The Wushu is like a flaps. We move really fast. Training weights, punch. It's this kind of training. And go to Wudang is different training. You know, they still have kicks, but they have some sitting and standing. But you don't know this, what this is. And you really want to fix the rheumatism. You want too much, you know. Then you really like it. 怎么说就是很性急，就是非常性急，就想。
Very rushed.
Yeah, it's really rushed. You want to fix it. 当你特别想把它好的时候，它偏不好，好不了，对不对？嗯。
So the more rush you are, actually you cannot get to the purpose.
Every month I go to try one cup of beer. You know, I drink it. And evening, and they have time. The pain have time, and evening about 12 o'clock, and the pain under the knees, inside the bone. You cannot do massage to help. It's inside the bone. It's painful. And then you really sleepy, and there's really pain, and wakes you up. You know, it's really annoying. And sometimes you want to give up, or this maybe cannot fix them. Before I learn Kung Fu, I did some acupuncture and cupping, you know, with a big needle, cupping, and I see this. I really afraid about the needle, you know, and medicine a lot. It's still pain. I cannot fix it. And I've been training 3 years of Shaolin Kung Fu. It's getting much stronger, much better, but it's hiding inside. The pain, it's hiding inside. The way the good, not pain. And that's why I say the people connect the 人法地, 地法天, 天法道, 道法自然. That means the people connect the universe, the nature. When the weather change, before 3 days, you could feel pain. You know, so my Kung Fu brother make joke. What about the weather? And because when we train, we train very hard. We want raining. Raining is because the training hall smaller. You know, we don't train so much. If we train outside, we train every day 8 hours at least. If raining, maybe you can rest a little bit. You know. Everybody pray raining. Yeah, I can tell you the truth. It's really hard. The training is really hard. Very hungry. Every day, very hungry. Not enough food. Very hungry. And my Kung Fu brother make a joke like always like, what about the weather? I say in 3 days we're raining. Exactly, because the pain, you know. It's really funny, you know. But I understand. People is always connect the universe. and your emotion too. Someone, when the weather is bad, the emotion not good. Therefore, so that's why two things. One, we have to follow the nature, respect the nature, follow the nature, because we cannot escape, you know. Okay, and second, we have to separate it. You understand? Separate it means you protect yourself. Don't let this to annoy you, to disturb you. And the weather and all the conditions or something to disturb you is not good. Because not everything is really suit you, make you comfortable. Someone make you really uncomfortable. So you have to understand. So the two things. One, we have to follow it. One, we have to make it yourself strong to protect it. They call 道气长城 or energy, you know. This is important too. So from this, every month I try 1 cup of beer to try if my knee complete good. I have 3 joints, knee and a lower back and a wrist. So 3 joints is really annoying me a lot. When they're good, you can lift the weights with no problem. When you hear they have noise, then you cannot move. Even chopsticks, you cannot do it. You know, chopsticks, you cannot use it. It's so weird injury. It's so weird things. You know, happened many times. I don't know how many years. At the beginning, I was really want to give up, but I don't know how many years I keep it. Because we sitting there is really suffering, you know, really suffering, painful. I train the kung fu, the fightings. I do a lot of weight training, you know, like this. You know, more heavy than me, like this, you know, and this is hurts a lot. And I use a stick to beat the body very well. When you see their muscle very stiff, see the it's suffering, really suffering. So I understand when people are sitting there, it's suffering. A lot of people really pain, you know, really pain. More stiff, more pain. You cannot sit. And also my knee, my hips, like sitting, you cannot relax. Because we doing splits, stretching is good. We also training before when I train Shaolin Kung Fu, also do this. But I have one stretching we didn't do it. This one, the spinning stretching. Sitting meditation is a spinning stretching. We don't have this kind of training. That's why we see this so suffering. After 10 minutes, numb, dead, you know. The pain, lower back pain, everywhere I have back pain. I want to give up many times, but I just keep doing. See there, feel nothing. I only use my mind, thinking, energy, working, fixing my rheumatism, but it doesn't work. It's pain. Keep sitting. You know, I have 8 Kung Fu brothers, and I stay one room. Maybe half of this, like big. We 8 Kung Fu brothers stay one room, and they talking, they make joke and they make noise. I just sit in my bed. You know, we have a double bed. I leave the top, and I was like sitting, and they talk. I sit there long time. I don't know how 1 year or 2 years. I don't know. I forget it. It's just the beginning. The first feeling, I feel it, something moving. I think it's maybe a back something, you know. I move, I touch, nothing. It's like something moving. From my skin, moving. This is the first feeling. And the second feeling is a muscle, you know. It's like a ice on a roof, fall down. I see them, wow, what's that? Then you touch a muscle still here. It's a muscle lost, you know. you know, like this. You're scared in the beginning, you don't know what that, you know, you see, oh, you touch muscles here, no problem. And see, this is the second feeling, you know. And the third feeling, I get more confidence. I'm not going to give up anymore, you know, more confident. Oh, maybe this is better. I pain less. I see the third feeling is more deep, you know. It's something inside they're moving. I could feel still very clear. and I try the code, build something, no more pain. No more pain. My feet is getting a little bigger. No more pain. I think this is good. I like it, you know. I like it. So when you practice, you don't need to say, oh, I have some problem, I'm sick, maybe I cannot. Maybe you get sick, you practice it more serious, you know. If I don't have rheumatism, I already give up. I never training, you know. It's really suffering. So because I really have purpose, I came Wudang, I want to fix my rheumatism, that's all. That's why I didn't give up. If I gave up, maybe still rheumatism pain, you know.